Ego means like personality. Like what kind of a being are you? You know, are you a horse? Are you a peacock? You're an elephant. These are ways of thinking about personality. So what happens when different kinds of personalities get together? There's a lot at stake here, because when personalities interact, there is a high road and a low road. Which means if I take the safe road, like I can gain your acceptance by maybe proving myself to you, or being a big shot, or being fast or clever or super helpful. This is like the personality like shortcut. Usually works, usually gets me where I need to go. But this is not the most powerful way for us to engage with ourselves or with each other. So we want to be careful. We want to see if we can find that high road and learn how to take it. This we see in the work of dynamics of ego. How do different personality types interact? Not just to see who gets along with who and what types would make a good committee, or should we group these would make a good like soccer team. There's a lot of this around, and it's good work, but it is just the tip of the iceberg. So for example, some people have a deep capacity to please others and take care of the others and really know what the other one needs even before they need it. Nothing wrong with it. It's a beautiful attribute, a beautiful personality attribute. But if we don't step out from behind that, then that covers us like a mask. So for that person, for example, it's powerful for them to say what they really need. And what we find is that it's very hard for the pleaser type, the compliant type, the malleable type to really stand up and say, hey, no, I don't want this, I need that, and I need that from you. Every personality type learns that there is a point where it's just not working anymore. If we please too much, we don't take care of ourselves, and inevitably resentment's going to build up. And resentment is strong stuff. So we can work with it for 10 years, maybe 20 years, but after a while, we're going to have to come home and really work with what's really true for us.